So in my previous video, I showed you how to install Windows Server 2022, and now it's the first time to log in. So let me insert my password, and there comes up my server. So the first thing that we see is a server manager, because what's the server without a role? A couple of things we need to check before is the server name, time, and a server should always have a static IP address. So in this case, the time is correct. In case you want to make changes to it or adjust it, you can just hit the buttons. Like you can disable the automatic version or the automatic possibility. Then you can change it. But in this case, it's all right. So, a server name. How do I change it? Well, let's hit the File Explorer, the most fastest way according to me. Select the properties of this PC. Rename this machine, rename this PC. In this case, we call it server 5-minute IT. Next. And reboot. Now, just a reason, yeah, well, you can choose whatever you want. But let's choose this one because it's faster. Let's reboot. So after the reboot, we hit Ctrl-Alt-Delete. It's a button here in VMware. So we can hit the button, insert the password, and we can see that after the reboot, our host name, server name has been changed. What we also need to do is to change the IP address of the network interface card. We hit the local server, and here we can see our computer name. We're hitting Ethernet 0, right click properties, hit TCP/IP version 4, and in this case I will insert a IP address in the range of 192.168.101.1, 22255 for subnet mask, and the DNS server, in this case 127.0.0.1, aka localhost. Okay, and close. So basically, these are the most important things before installing server roles. See my next video for server roles. Thanks for watching.